May have been a down day for markets today, but there's one stock doing pretty darn well. That is Rubrik, newly issued public company, I should say, in Rubrik. Let's get right to the co-founder and CEO Bipul Sinha, who really big day for you guys. Congratulations.
Thanks, Brian. It is so exciting to be here for all the Rubrik employees, customers, partners. What a momentous day. Thank you so much for this opportunity.
I talked to one of your early investors over at Lightspeed Ventures, and he noted that it was an oversubscribed IPO, a lot of enthusiasm. Why do you think that's the case?
Look, every investor is looking for quality asset to own, the asset that has durability, differentiated product in a large market. And we have been preparing for this day for several years now, and here we are. We are ready, market was receptive, we entered the market.
What were some of the biggest questions that investors gave you on the roadshow?
Questions around what is the product technology, what is the differentiation, is that differentiation sustainable, what is this, why this market so hot, what is the differentiated angle within cybersecurity, because as you know, the traditional cybersecurity, there's a lot of vendors. We are in a new cybersecurity, which is all about recovering from cyber attacks and continue to run the business. If you are a hospital, you know that attacks will happen to you. How do you keep the hospital going even when there is a successful attack? So all the questions around, is this fundamentally a long-term, durable, good business?
Is it?
I hope so.
I hope so. So talk to us about, should investors view Rubrik as a pure play AI play?
Look, we are a cybersecurity company focused on data security, but AI is a significant part of it. As you know, attackers are deploying AI to attack, and we are deploying AI to defend. We released a product called Rubik, that is the AI data defense and recovery that uses generative AI to help the IT operations team do cyber recovery. It's all about productivity of the IT operations, security operations to deliver the cybersecurity outcome.
We're really, I think, in a special or an interesting moment with AI. I mean, it has really taken off. It's a really, in many respects, an explosion, and it's supposed to stay like that over the next decade. You know, how important will it be for companies to protect their data, and how bad could cyber attacks get?
Look, AI fundamentally is based on data. If you don't have integrity in your data, if you don't have trust in your data, AI is garbage in, garbage out. So every business has to make sure that their core asset, that is data, is protected, available on the right platform at the right time for the right duration, for models to work, for models to infer and give you business intelligence. Our focus is that your data is secure and available so that you can run AI as well as BI.
Bipul, you're also a venture capitalist. You've done an engineer by training, worked at Oracle, right, and IBM. Yes. You have to have some views on AI. You know, do you fear that AI will be doing bad things?
Look, any technology that you pick, there can be good use of technology, there is a bad use of technology. We are already seeing threat actors deploy AI to attack us more. As we are increasing digital intensity in our life, for example, we get up in the morning, check our phone, use our phone to drive to work. And as we do more of digital activities, there will be more attacks, and AI will be used to attack us. That's why it's very important for good guys to use AI for defense, use AI for productivity, use AI for more drug research, more positive things. And there is always a balance. Are we doing more good with AI, or are we letting bad guys win with AI?
If the average investor coming to Yahoo Finance today, they might be coming across your company for the first time. You have had a history of losses. You noted that in the prospectus. Within the next 3 years, are you profitable?
Look, we are in a very interesting market. It's a new kind of cybersecurity market, focus on cyber recovery. We have a differentiated product, and we are creating a long-term value. Having said that, profitability is paramount. We have path to profitability. We are building profitable growth, and we want to be a highly profitable business.
One thing stood out to me in your prospectus, and it was your letter at the top of that, Bipul. You noted that maximal thinking is how you got out of poverty. Tell us a little bit about your personal story.
I grew up in India. My dad was an unsuccessful entrepreneur, grew up extremely poor, but he gave us this idea that you can become anything you want to be. And that idea is very powerful, that belief that you have self-agency, you can take matter in your own hands and figure out a way out of change the situation. 27 years ago, came to America. I call myself more American than American because I'm very passionate about America, because think about a guy with $100 in the pocket coming to America in 27 years, taking a company public.
How did you
It's an amazing story.
How did you make it happen? I read an interview maybe a couple months ago that you did. You essentially founded Rubrik from coffee shops. You were trying to find talent and you were set up next to Google and YouTube headquarters?
Look, at the end of the day, all great companies are built when the cool kids are not going in that direction. When everybody is going in some direction, there is no value. We identified backup and recovery as a market that has not been innovated on for 20 years. And our idea was to transform this market, transform this industry towards cyber resilience and cyber recovery, because natural disasters don't happen every day. Cyber disasters are happening every day. And that idea needed top-class engineers from Google and Facebook and other places. And it was hard to recruit. So we sat at the coffee shop, cold called people and convinced them that will amount to something, and here we are.
This must be a pretty wild experience for you, from coffee shop, well actually from poverty to coffee shop to the floor of the New York Stock Exchange. Has this sunk into you at all?
We are just the beginning. Look, life arc is bigger than what one thing that happens to you. Obviously, this is a momentous occasion. It starts the next chapter for Rubrik, but we believe that we have tremendous opportunity in front of us. And as a company, as a group of people, we are here to take advantage of the opportunity and build an enduring company.
Where do you see Rubrik a decade from now?
Look, if you think about it, Rubrik is all about data and security of that data. And if you think about AI, AI is all about data. AI is pulling data from all the nooks and crannies of enterprise. We have all of the enterprise data in a single data format with cybersecurity built into it. We have an amazing opportunity to parlay this data to create the future of generative AI, and those are the areas that we'll explore.
All right, go get some rest. I know it's been a long few weeks for you. Bipul Sinha, Rubrik CEO and co-founder, good to see you.
Thank you,
Congratulations on Public Company Life.
The opportunity.
There you go, Jared and Julie, another top AI play coming to market here. A lot of folks that I've been talking to lately suggest this is a start of things to come, that the IPO market is likely to come back in the second half of this year.